going on here?
I just came home and he was dead. I think someone killed him.
This seems like a job for my other personality, Mr. Sniffles. He works out how to kill people and other secret things like that. He's got a degree in it. I'll just be a minute.
What's up, brother?
Who are you?
My name is Sniffles, and right now we need to find out who killed this woman. I'm a master of all things finding outy.
It's a man.
Don't be deceived. That's the first sign of weakness. Something a man like myself knows nothing about.
Maybe we should check in the kitchen.
Yes, this is just such a crime that would have been concocted whilst making a snack. Aha! This unbranded cereal is just the food that a murderer would fetish for.
Don't say that word.
What?
The N word.
What? Marmite?
When did you say Marmite?
Well, when we pulled up outside, me and Carl, I said to him, look, I can smell a definite smell of Marmite around here. And he said to me, well, you know...
It doesn't matter.
All right, well, what did you mean?
Murderer.
Why?
It makes me feel uncomfortable.
All right then, okay, well, every time I've got to use the word murderer, right, I'll use the word boob instead, okay?
Okay.
All right, okay.
This is exactly the kind of food that a boob would fetish for.
Thanks.
And look. The royal brand. They must have something to do with it.
Could you help me get my toast out of the toaster with this knife?
No time for that. To the bathroom.
Why are we in the bathroom?
Well, the cereal idea gave me no direct leads, so I went with my finding out instincts and concluded that a boob might actually concoct a plan like this on the bog.
A what?
The word that you don't like, I've changed it
Oh, yes.
to boob.
Yes, I remember.
Look! This toothpaste. It bears the royal crest. Those gits. One of them must be behind this.
Say, Detective Sniffles.
I am not a detective. I am a train driver with a degree in finding out who kills people and other secret things.
Sorry.
That's quite all right, pretty lady with a lovely dress. Now, what were you going to say?
Would you like to take a bath? With a hairdryer?
No thanks, but thanks for the offer. Maybe later we can hook up, and I'll give you another of my chocolate spread smooches. But now let's head downstairs for no particular reason. Wait a minute. What's this? A tangerine? But this makes no sense.
Hey, what's going on?
I thought you were dead.
No, I was just taking a nap after a tomato ketchup sandwich.
That is great. That is great. it looks like he's soiled himself after having a massive heart attack, which means he's dead and smelly.
Well, he hasn't paid his rent for weeks anyway, so I was going to kill him after I had a sandwich later this evening, so... Alright, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. That's very You guessed it. That's fantastic. That's about as funny as a screen door on my mother's kitchen patio.